Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to be learning a subtraction mental strategy called Making Subtraction Easier 1, Part A. This topic's part of the operations and subtraction area of maths and is suitable for children who are 8 years and older. Okay, what are mental strategies? Mental strategies help us to do addition and subtraction sums in our heads easily and quickly without using paper. Let's get started. So here we've got 64 take away 38. And because it's a mental strategy we're doing today, we're going to find the answer to this sum in our heads only and not use paper like we usually do. So to start answering this sum, we're going to start with the 38. And we're going to make it bigger by 2. A trick I'd like to teach you with subtraction is that you will get the same answer if you raise the two numbers together by the same amount. So therefore, if we make 38 bigger by adding 2, we also have to make the 64 bigger by 2. I'm using boats to show you this because if the water level rises at sea, then both boats will rise together. Now just be careful because this trick only works for subtraction, but it doesn't work for addition. Okay, so back to our sum. So we add 2 to 38, and raising 38 by 2 will make 40. Then you do the same with 64. Adding 2 to it will raise it up to 66. So now we have a new sum that will give us the same answer. We now have 66 take away 40. So now that the sum is easier to do, let's figure out how to get the final answer. To do 66 take away 40, we're going to hop from 40 up to 66 to find the difference between the two numbers. We're going to jump from 40 up to 50 first, and then 50 to 60, then from 60 up to 66. So 40 to 50 is a difference of 10. From 50 to 60 is a difference of 10 too. And then from 60 to 66 is a difference of 6. So the total difference between 40 and 66 is 10 plus 10 plus 6, which is 26. So back to our original sum, 64 take away 38. It will have the same difference because it's pretty much the same sum as the one above. So 64 take away 38 equals, remember to raise both numbers, then hop the difference. It is of course 26, which is the final answer. Super job! Okay, before we finish up, here are a few you can practice by yourself. Just pause the video and have a go of them and then press play when you're ready. P.S. Here's what you're going to have to add to each side to raise them up. And here are the answers. Well done! Great job! You've hopefully mastered a new subtraction mental strategy today. See you next time! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you know somebody who will find this video helpful, please share it with them.